what we shall call last gasps. We had, I had, connectivity even after the O3 air unit overheated and shut down. It's still turtle mode or even arm and give us some throttle, mute and unmute the beeper. And that same telemetry I had was showing me battery voltage drop from 14 to 12 to 10, and then it really started rolling off. And I think when it got to 4 or something, the ELRS receiver dropped off, and this beeper that I cannot mute started beeping. Alright, flex up to get the ladder pole. I'm going to pick up Zoe in about 45 minutes. Good times. Drones are fun. How's that theme song go again?
Battery on it, send it.
Why not?